from a key NDA ally, and also the Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has come up with this statement after the Lok Sabha results. He says that the 400 par call backfired because it fueled apprehensions of something going wrong. The slogan also raised doubts in people's minds about the constitution, and as a result, it made the NDA or the Mahayuti alliance vulnerable to the false narratives which are being spun by the opposition here. Let's listen in to what the Maharashtra Chief Minister said.
इसके अंदर कुछ फॉल्स नैरेटिव सेट करने की वजह से ये कुछ जगह पर हमें नुकसान हुआ है। महाराष्ट्र में भी नुकसान हुआ है। संविधान बदलेंगे, ये होगा, रिजर्वेशन जाएगा, फलाना होगा, कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला था। लेकिन 400 पार वाला आंकड़ा जो है उसके वजह से लोगों के दिमाग में एकदम ऐसी बात हो गई कि ये सब आगे जाके कुछ गड़बड़ होगी।
Go across to my colleague Rakesh, who's joining us with more details. Rakesh, there's increasing resonance within the NDA, especially between BJP's allies, that this 400 par sunk the BJP's chances here, or the alliance's chances, very similar to how India Shining brought down the Atal Bihari Vajpayee government in 2004.
Yes, in fact, that's very well observed. And in fact, it is not just Eknath Shinde, the Shiv Sena, who's making this a statement now, but we have also heard the spokesperson of NCP who said that we agree with whatever said by Eknath Shinde, and they also believe that the slogan "Ab ki baar 400 bar" did not go really well with the NDA, and opposition got an opportunity in succeeding and alleged fake narrative as far as that was concerned. So that is the stand of the NCP Ajit Pawar faction also. But it seems that both the allying partners have become more vocal now, especially after the Modi cabinet was announced, and these parties did not get, as per their expectation, the berth in the Modi cabinet. So just after that, both the allying party are seen to be more vocal about it and more attacking towards their BJP as a partner. The experts also are of the opinion that this could be on the backdrop of the upcoming Vidhan Sabha elections, where both the parties, especially Ajit Pawar faction and Eknath Shinde Shiv Sena, want to have a better bargaining power as far as the seat sharing is concerned, or the Maharashtra state's cabinet expansion is concerned, and that is why they are in the attacking mode, so that they can have a better bargaining power with the BJP in the coming days.
Absolutely, Rakesh. Thanks a lot for joining us with those details. Now, in a mega exclusive